It's time for another unboxing event on this channel. Shelton, the captain's here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, we're going to be unboxing Dripto, some pair of shoes. It's a pair of shoes right from Dripto. Check out Dripto Token. I got the link in the description. You can get exclusive streetwear on a weekly basis. Now, look at this. All you got to do is hold at least 50,000 Dripto in that wallet. I'm telling you, it's definitely worth it. Now, I ordered some Dripto not that long ago. Great customer service, good action, and a good community in Telegram. So look at this. There's the Dripto. There's the box right there. Let's put it here and check it out. We got Nikes. So I ordered some Nikes on Dripto because I'm a big fan of Nikes. So look at this, okay? And what we get in the box, we got a nice card, Dripto, all right? And we got information on streetwear culture. Check that out, about us, our solution to the crypto and streetwear. Mixing streetwear and crypto together is a great thing. Okay, so, and then we also have this as well. A little bit of thank you for your purchase. We appreciate you being part of the community, and you can too by clicking on the link below. Now, look at these bad boys right here. These shoes here. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You got Nikes, and they look pretty good. Look at this. New Air Max. So these shoes could be good for walking. It could be, you know, playing basketball, walking around the house. These shoes here, and we got two pairs. Look at that. Black and white, black and white. Look at that. All from Dripto Token. I got these on discount just by being a member of Dripto. And that's a good thing about crypto and Dripto. And also streetwear like this. You can get shoes just like this. Look at the bottom. Nike, Michael Jordan. I know you want to be involved in this. Look at this. This is awesome. So, if you want to get more involved, click on the link below. I'm excited. I'm going to try these bad boys out. These are the shoes I got before. I got white and black, and now I got black and white. Black and white. Shelton, the captain's here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for another unboxing event.